Good afternoon, boys and girls. Okay, we will continue exercise 5C. Now, today we will do question 2. Okay, we had done addition of algebraic expressions. Now we will do subtraction. Okay, look here at question 2. A part. We have to subtract minus a from 12a. So we will write 12a first, then minus a below it. And then we have to change the sign of the expression. We have to subtract. Here only one term is there, minus a. So minus is there, it will become plus. And after changing the sign, just add them. So 12 plus a, this is 1a. So 12 plus 1a is 13a. That is your answer. Okay, now come to C part. We have to subtract 4CAB from minus ABC. Now here order is changed, but the variables are same. So we'll write in order. Okay, we'll arrange it in order. ABC. Here also we'll do ABC. Okay, first we'll do that and then subtract. So write minus ABC first, then 4ABC here. So this is positive here, so we'll change the sign, it will become negative. Now negative and negative are added, so 4 plus 1, 5ABC and negative sign here. We come to E part. We have to subtract 3t cube plus t square from t cube minus t square. So write the like terms below the like terms. Okay. And now change the sign of the expression you have to subtract, or the second row you have to change. So this is plus, then it will become minus. Here also it is plus, so it will become minus. Now add them. So t cube minus 3t cube is minus 2t cube, and t square minus t square is here and minus t square, so they will be added minus 2t square. So this is your answer. Okay, come to G part now. R minus S plus 15 and S plus 15. Again change the sign of the second row. So this is positive, here it will become negative. This is also positive, it will become negative. And now add them. So R alone is here, write R here, and minus both will be added, minus 2S, and here plus 15 and minus 15. So you can just cancel them, don't need to write 0 here. Okay, so this is your answer. Now come to I part. Okay, so it's written already in order here in the book. So just change the sign of the second row. This is negative, it will become positive. This is also negative, becomes positive. And now add them. So 5a plus 3a is 8a, 8b plus 3b is 11b, and this will be like that only. So this is your answer. Okay, now question third, take away. Take away means you have to subtract. So again write expression, and this expression has to be taken away, so write it here in the second row and then change the sign of all the terms. So this will become negative, positive changes to negative, and again negative, and this is negative becomes positive. Now add them. 6 minus 3 is 3, 5 minus 4r is r, and minus 90 plus 5t is minus 4t. So this is your answer. Okay, now next is question 5. We'll look at question 5. Here we have to find the sum of these two expressions first. So sum means we have to add these expressions. So write the like terms below the like terms and add 4a plus 8a 12a, 6b plus 1b 7b, and minus 2c minus 4c minus 6. So we have added them. This is the sum. Now we have to subtract 9a plus 11b from this sum. So we have written it again, and below that we have written this. Okay, now change the sign of the second row. So positive becomes negative, here also positive becomes negative. Now add them. 12 minus 9a is 3a, 7 minus 11b is minus 4b, and minus 6 is there. Okay, so this is the answer of question 5. Now the last question, 7th. We are given A, B, C, 3 expressions. Okay, A is this expression, B is this expression. Now we have to add the expression A and B. So write these expressions, like terms below like terms. Okay, now add them. So 12 plus 9, 21b, minus 10, minus 1c, minus 11c, 6 plus 3 is 9d. Okay, so we have added a plus b. Now 7th C part, b minus c. We have to subtract expression c from b. Now here we will write b first. So b we have written already here, so we will write from here. Okay, so we have written b here. Now c. Now here in expression b we have variables b, c and d. Now here a, b and c. A is not here, so a will write separately. In order it will come before b. So a plus b below b and c below c. Now change the sign of all the terms in the second row. So this will become negative. This is also positive becomes negative, and this also becomes negative. Now add them. So this is minus a, and 9 minus b is 8b, and minus c and minus c becomes minus 2c, and 3d will come as it is 3d. So this is your answer of part C. Now do the remaining parts of question 2, question 4, question 6, and B and D of question 7, and complete the exercise. And now I think chapter is still there. Okay, so we'll leave it here, and in next class we'll do mock test. Okay, we'll practice a test. And then we will do, after test we will continue our next exercise 5D. Okay, that's all for today. Complete the exercise.